are at this place called DP Chinese Fast Food Momo, and this is it's made with so much love. Yeah, you can just sense the love. And I used to take a bite of it and tell us how it tastes. See, this is some veg Manchuria. It's really good.
But then these are a bit more spice.
Yeah, have this also, Chuno. I want to have some of this. I think a little salt is required, but otherwise it's like pretty neat, yeah. No? Yeah, that's right. I agree. So this is nice. It's a cute little place with these cute lights, and for 110, everything on the table is for 110. And this is it's nice for a change to come here and just chill. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.